Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best 3D printers under 1000 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. The Thomas Guide to the finest 3D printers under $1,000 is here. For more than 120 years, Thomas has been linking industrial customers and suppliers in North America. We may receive an affiliate commission if you buy things based on our impartial recommendations. After looking at the best 3D printers under $500, $300, and even the super cheap 3D printers under $200, it was time to look at the big boys. Here's our look at the best 3D printers under $1,000. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Creality CR-10 V2. The Creality CR-10 V2 is not only the cheapest item on this list, but it's also our pick for the best home 3D printer under $1,000, because to its super quiet motherboard, you can leave it working all night without disturbing the rest of the family. It can print anything up to 400 mm in height, and if there is a power outage, the resume printing function will simply resume where it left off, ensuring that no filament is wasted. On number 2, Anycubic Chiron 3D printer. The Anycubic Chiron 3D printer with semi-automatic leveling is the largest 3D printer under $1,000 on our list, with a printing capacity of up to 450 mm. A pleased buyer said, "The heated bed on this item is the greatest I've ever seen," referring to the massive build volume. Unlike many of the larger printers on the market, the entire bed is heated. I was surprised when it reached 60 degrees in 1.5 minutes. On number 1, Bibo 3D Dual Extruder Printer. Dual extruders elevated 3D printing to a new, and more colorful, level. The Bibo 3D Dual Extruder Printer is a fast printing, enclosed printer with a super sturdy frame, full color touchscreen, filament runout detection, resume printing function, in the event of a power failure, Wi-Fi connection, and, while some assembly is required, users report that setup is relatively simple. Another fantastic feature is that this Amazon's Choice 3D printer is presently on sale for nearly 17% off its original price. So guys, this was the video about the best 3D printers under 1000. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.